Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you a very quick hack to clean your Iwatch strap. Now I have a white strap, so it tends to get dirty really fast. You can see it got stained due to the pink top that I was wearing. So to clean this strap, I've tried several hacks and this is what worked. All you have to do is take a clean cloth and use your nail paint remover. So just pour a little bit of nail paint remover on the clean cloth and you can wipe your strap. As you can see, the pink color completely vanished off, so it becomes squeaky clean. I've tried using the detergent and wiping it off with a scrub and everything, but nothing works. The nail paint remover works the best. You can use any. I am using the Lakme one. After doing all of that jazz, I've just washed it with water and you can see how clean the strap has become. So if you own an iWatch, this is one hack that you really need to know. If your strap gets dirty by any stain or anything, just use a makeup remover and wipe off all the stains on your strap. So you can see after cleaning, this is how it looks, and before it was just like this, completely pink because of the top that I was wearing. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.